time this week that there is a fire alarm going on. But it's not a test, because they don't do tests at 8 p.m. Yeah. Again.
Yeah, that's what I'm
Happening
thinking.
again.
Is it the second day in a row?
Yeah, I know. Oh, it was yesterday?
Yeah.
Okay.
See, that's the only reason I moved. Because I was like, why would they do 2 tests in a row?
Yeah.
If it wasn't 2 days in a row, I'd just stay upstairs. I'd be like, nope, can't go on.
Yeah.
But
Yeah. I was almost being productive. I wanted to vacuum clean.
I was sleeping. Well, I was about to sleep anyway. I've got to be up at like freaking 3:30. I'm fucking tired.
Yeah.
Oh, back we go.
Yeah, now I'm down there. I'm gonna go shopping. Well, once I'm down, I might as well go shopping. I also wanted to vacuum clean. So I watched a TEDx video, a TEDx talk about how to stop screwing yourself. And it was the same idea as in the 4-hour chef or 4-hour work week. 4-hour work week. The do it now. If you have an impulse and you don't do anything for 5 seconds, you're not gonna do it. So I thought, oh, I should vacuum clean. Boom! And I stood up and I wanted to do it, went in the kitchen and wanted to get the vacuum cleaner thingy. Wasn't there. I asked Somi if she knows where it is and she said she has it, and I was like, okay, that's fine with me. Because, you know, not gonna complain that she should bring it back from her room, because I don't like fighting with my roommates. I'll just do it later. Yeah, I'm going to Tesco's because I needed to do that anyway. And I'm gonna put my jacket off because it's freaking hot. And you need to make it back up because it's freaking important. And do it within the next 5 seconds.